Hello there! Welcome to Svelte.js 3 and Sapper projects. It's great to have you here, being part of this course. I hope that you will like it and that we will learn a lot together. In this video, I would like to give you an overview of this course so that we know what our plans are and how the course is structured. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Germán Menes Santaolalla and I am an engineer and a software developer. I love coding and finding creative solutions to problems. That's what got me into web development. Because of that, I initially started coding web applications just for fun, and I learned a lot by myself, thanks to the huge amount of great resources out there on the internet. I hope this course will also become one of those resources for you. Talking more precisely about Svelte and Sapper, I have enjoyed building web applications with these tools so much that they have become my favorite tools when it comes to front-end web development. Hopefully, you will grow to like Svelte and Sapper as much as I do. Okay, now that we know each other, we can move on to the course overview. Let's see what this course is about. First, let's define the main goal of this course. My objective is that you learn the Svelte and Sapper way of building web applications while building projects with increasing difficulty and complexity. The features we learn along the way will be added to a project so that you can see how those features work in a real application. By the end of this course, you will be familiar with Svelte and Sapper, and you will also be able to build real-life web applications using these tools. How are we going to reach that goal? We will do so by going through different sections, each with a main topic and goal in mind. This course is divided in 7 sections. Our first section will be our introduction to Svelte and the way Svelte applications work. We will also start our first project in this section. Section 2 will tackle some of Svelte's main features and selling points, which are its reactivity and event handling. Section 3 will be about exploring further features of Svelte that will help us enhance our application. By the end of Section 3, we will be done with our first project and we will have a finished working application. In Section 4, we will start our second project and also see how Svelte's built-in transitions and animations help us build a better user interface. Section 5 will be our last Svelte section and it will address the subject of state management in our app. By the end of this section, our second project will be finished and our application will be fully functional. Section 6 will be an introduction to Sapper and how to use its main features. In this section, we will add some Sapper features to the application we finished in Section 5, therefore enhancing it with Sapper. The last section of this course, Section 7, will be about testing and deploying our Sapper application. Now that we know the content of this course, let's talk about prerequisites necessary for it. Since we will be coding mostly HTML, JavaScript, and Svelte's own syntax, previous basic knowledge of HTML and JavaScript are required for this course. Otherwise, it will be complicated to know where we are. Svelte is built with JavaScript, so we need that foundation in order to understand this tool. Regarding CSS, our Svelte code will have CSS styling, but it is not necessary to code it yourself. CSS is the styling standard for the web and also for Svelte, so you will want to learn it eventually. Therefore, it would be beneficial for you if you already know CSS, but if you don't or you're not very proficient or you feel a little bit unsure, it's not an issue for this course. Speaking about Svelte itself, no previous experience with it is required for this course. Since we will start from the basics, we will learn in small steps as we build our way up to more advanced features. Regarding hardware, any basic PC or laptop will be enough for building and coding Svelte applications. You will need, of course, an internet connection in order to download the necessary software and tools that we will use throughout the course. You will also need the will to learn something new. Even if some parts of the course may be challenging at some point, your will to learn will help you overcome those obstacles and learn and improve your knowledge. But no worries, we will get to that goal together. Alright, now that we have introduced this course and know how it is structured, it is time to start the course. So prepare yourself and let's learn Svelte and Sapper.